bringing some heat for you today in the form of not just one, but two variations of the classic, timeless margarita cocktail that will squash the fieriest of rap beats, but most importantly, quench the thirst of your thirstiest friends. Welcome to Happy Hour Academy. Smash that like button, oh god. Anyways, let's make some margaritas. Leading things off with a spicy margarita, my number one tip here is simplicity is key. Get a good quality blanco or reposado tequila and throw a bunch in a cocktail shaker. Now, orange liqueur. I love dry curacao, that's my favorite, but Cointreau, Triple Sec, Grand Marnier, all good. Limes. Fresh is always better. But also vitamin C, am I right? Some people maybe don't put a little bit of agave nectar in a margarita that's got an orange liqueur in it. I'm still gonna throw like a little bit, like a reasonable amount, quarter to half of an ounce. Now, we're gonna begin our spice awakening with some chopped jalapenos and give it a good muddle for extra flavor. Now combine kosher salt and chili powder together for an extra spicy rim. And that's the end of that bit. With a beautiful rimmed glass, let's add some ice to our cocktail shaker. You don't have to risk stabbing yourself, but boy, it sure is fun. But now we shake for a while and trick our fitness watches into thinking we're doing something else. Now to finish up, we just strain and add in lime wheel, and that's the spicy margarita. Cocktail number two, the 50-50, is the creation of Natasha Bermudez from La Masana, New York. And this is, without a doubt, no cap, my favorite and most crushable margarita on the planet. And it doesn't use tequila, but mezcal. And a little bit less of it than you would in a classic margarita, because as the name would imply, 50-50, we're cutting it with something else. And that, in my hand, is Mezcal Sherry, which is gonna add a little bit of salinity and some funk, but it's very low alcohol. Now we reach for Cointreau because we need a bright orange flavor to kick through that mezcal and sherry. Now the margarita essentials, a little agave and fresh lime juice. Rim is kosher salt, a little bit of paprika, and a little bit of tahini. Mix that all together and you've got a most flavorful rim that you paint onto your glass. And as we hand flavor our ice, this is your sign to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because if you like cocktails, spirits, or whatever it is that we're doing here, we have so much more coming for you. So stick around and have a drink with us, because we'd love to have you here.